Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Gamestop gift card on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem your gift card on the Gamestop.com on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in Gamestop.com like this and hit enter. And after that, you'll be redirected to the home page of the Gamestop.com. Now, in order to redeem your Gamestop gift card, you'll be first required to sign in to your Gamestop account, as I have already signed into my Gamestop account over here. And you can see on the top right corner of your screen, there is the account button over here. If you have not yet signed into your Gamestop account, then your name will not be available on the Gamestop.com. And instead of the account button, you will have the sign in button over here. Click on sign in and log into your Gamestop account first. Now, to redeem your Gamestop account on your computer, first open up or choose any game which you want to buy from the Gamestop.com. Let's go to the menu and let's see for the video games with some Xbox One, and these are all the Xbox One games. Now to redeem your gift card, you can see the enter promo code option available over here just below the PayPal. Click on the promo code plus, and over here the empty box to enter your promo code will be available when you click on plus over here. And of that, enter the promo code of your gift card, which will be on the back side of the gift card which you had received, and covered with some kind of ink. Scratch that ink off and the promo code will be visible to you. Then enter your promo code over here, click on submit. Then the net worth amount of that gift card will be deducted over here, and then you will have this game and your gift card on the Gamestop.com will be redeemed. And there guys, this is how you redeem your Gamestop gift card. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.